Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is your class 10th 11.4 theorem. The statement is, if the angles subtended by two chords of a circle at the center are equal in measures, then we have to prove that the chords are equal in measures too. So what is given? The first part of this statement is that we have a circle. See the figure? We have a circle, and in this circle we are having two chords AB and CD. Angle 1 is subtended by the chord AB and angle 2 is subtended by the chord CD, and these two angles are equal in measurement. And we have to prove that if the subtended angles are equal in measurement, then chords will be also equal in measurement. So we have the given, we have to write the given: a circle with center O, AB and CD are two chords of the circle, and angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Okay, now according to this statement, what we have to prove? We have to prove that chords will be also congruent, or chords are equal in measurements. So when we are going to write the proof or requirement of the given statement of the given theorem, then we have to write the heading to prove. Here the to prove is that AB is congruent to CD. There is no need to write the construction in this theorem because we are already having two triangles in the same circle. So when we are going to write the proof, we will make the two columns: statement and reasons. Here we will write the statements, and we have to check the correspondence between the two triangles. What we have to check? The correspondence in triangle OAB and triangle OCD. When we are going to check the correspondence between two triangles, we have to compare the three elements. So here we are having OA, OB and angle 1, and in this triangle we are having OC, OD and angle 2. See, OA is congruent to side OC, and in this triangle OB is also congruent to OD. Why these are congruent? Because OA, OB, OC, OD are the radii of the same circle. So when we are going to write the proof, we have the component of the triangle OAB, that is OA is congruent to side OC of the triangle OCD, because these two are the radii of the same circle. Now the second component, that is OB, is congruent to OD. OB is the side of the triangle OAB and OD is the side of the triangle OCD. See the figure? OB is congruent to OD, O is congruent to OC. OB is congruent to OD, OA is congruent to OC. Now here we are having the included angle 1 and here the included angle 2. So angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Why? Because this is given. So we have to write over here given. So according to this, we are having this side, angle and side, and in this triangle we also have to compare the side, angle and side. So according to the postulate side, angle, side, we have proved that triangle AB is congruent to triangle OCD. So when we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent, then it's mean the remaining components of the triangles will be also congruent. So we have proved that the chord AB is congruent to the chord CD. So we can write AB is congruent to CD. And what will be the reason? The reason is this: corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Okay girls, we have proved the theorem according to the given statement. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.